Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and today, as you can hear and see, I'm spreading slurry. So one thing I want to do first, I want to apologise. The camera will probably be a bit shaky. I tried doing on the last run, the last load, and it didn't work very well. So I've literally just given a little tap on my hand just to try and take a bit of shake out, so it wasn't very bad. So, as you can see behind me, I have my tanker on, the 2500 gallon Premium Plus Abbey with the dribble bar, but I'm not dribbling, I'm just splashing. We're spreading for contract at the minute, and the farmer just wants to splash down on silage ground, so it's not too bad. I have a good bit to do here now. There's either one tanker on today, Emily is busy harrowing for receiving, and my father is emptying. So that's what we're at today. So, and the tractor I'm driving at the minute is the 03 6290 with the front suspension. And that's fine, man. That's my outfit for today. Probably won't have this job done today. There's quite a lot to do. So, and literally this video is just going to be like this load and maybe go back to the yard, see if I can get all I want to talk about covered. So, first things first, so something you may have noticed, some of you might have noticed, and you might go looking at it now, I changed my logo to Farmer Phil. It's now Farmer Phil with a red tractor and then a little face of like a cow coming off the H on the Phil. I'm very happy with it. Please let me know what you think of it. A friend of my girlfriend did it, and if you want you can go follow her on Instagram, Faye Brooks Designs, and if you have any, you're looking for a load yourself or anything like that, you can give her a hit up there and she'll look after it. So I'm very happy with it. Please let me know what you think of it. Go have a look at it. Tell me what you think. So that was one thing. So at the minute, my arm is getting sore from holding it. As you can see, the shake is pretty bad. But at the minute, all the first cut pit silage is done. We have it all cut, which I think is actually the earliest we have it, all the first cut pit silage done. Now we don't do a whole pile. With the being 500 acres at the most, right? So we're not big at it, right? And we'd have about, I was just trying to hand it up there before I did the video. I reckon we have over 1,000 bales now so far the year. And baling still going on. We'll be busting it on after the 1st of July. Now traditional hay baling is coming in, so we'll have a big bust of that coming on at that time. At the minute there's only, I think, 3 jobs in at the minute. The weather partially affecting it, as today is a bit of a droppy out every day, but the weather will pick up again. But it's just working out nice the way the weather is. It's prolonged periods of dry weather. It's not just everyone's coming to wool in the one day, which is a dread. Because it just leaves, you're just absolutely flat out trying to get everyone, and you're making a couple of 100 bales, and sure, look at it. Hardship. But it's not too bad the way the thing is playing now. We're seeing again a great summer. Huge spell of weather, and it looks like after this to be another great spell of weather to come for the weekend and on into next week. So the forecast is saying. So on the calf front we have 150, 70. We have about the half of what was inside gone out. So gone off the batches of 50 into different spots to eat grass and get a lot of money. And also yesterday we picked up another 100 cows, well 90 something. Just say 100 cows for argument's sake, it wasn't just 100 cows. Picked up them. They were my calves that the dairy farmer was buying them off, got locked up with TB, and he said he'd rear them and I gave him when he comes there. So he comes there the other day and we picked them up there yesterday. So I have all my calves gathered up now, so we're over the 400 mark at the minute for the calves, so we're hitting the targets that we want to hit. And maybe another 10-20 calves to come in before I'd say we reset and we go into the autumn calves. So we might have them maybe end of this month, maybe the beginning of the next, and maybe the last then on into October, November, that time. So yeah, we'll be finishing up by reckon about the 450 mark altogether. When all is said and done, we'll just have to wait and see, and that's just quite. We definitely have over 400 at the minute. So on the tillage front then, crops are doing fantastically well. We huge crops, huge thick crops of barley. We don't have that much wheat in. Right? All the crops are doing very well. And even though the worst one very late, but they have come very well. It's been a great growth. Great spell of weather for growing. And all of them will have good crops in the harvest. You know, most of it will be cut for one crop, but we will cut some of it dry and straw for when calves and big bulbs and that sort of thing. So I think it's going to end it condense. So yeah. Also, when I did the last video I put up was on the two vintage 165s. So my plan is to go through all our vintage tractors, maybe two at a time. That's normally where the park are, two or three in the one spot. My plan is to do videos and then go at them 1, 2 at a time, 3 at a time, whatever way to park. Little short videos, a bit about the HNA facts I can tell you about them. So that's one thing you can look forward to seeing. Hopefully now it won't be this Sunday because I'm away and I'm in England. But hopefully the following Sunday I get some of that done. And also I'll be planning on getting around to look at all the calves again, what's left in the shed and what's outside. So what is left in the shed? There's 100 or just over 100 left in the sheds. So we're well on with the calves now. Everything's doing well. About 20 bulbs inside for finishing, and maybe by the end of this month, halfway through the next month, we'll be putting in the next round of bulbs for finishing then in October or that. So my tank is just empty now. So I'm thinking I've pretty much all I want to say is said. There's other couple of videos. If you have any suggestions, any videos or anything you want to see me do, please leave me down in the comments down below. I'll try and get around to them. I know I'm not the best man for getting around to some videos, as some are just harder to do than others, but give me a shout down there and let's see what I can do when I'll be able to get it done. But I think that's really it now. I've nothing else pending, I don't think. Everything is going very well at the minute. Very well, we're happy with all our first cut silage done. We're taking out paddocks for our bales because we just can't keep it at. As many cattle as we have, we still don't seem to have enough to keep all the grass down. So we're mowing a bale away of paddocks, and hopefully now with this spell of weather coming in, I think we're planning on trying to make a bit of hay out of some of the grass. We'll let it go on a bit strong. It's very hard to make hay out of soft grass, so we'll let it go on like a bit strong of itself. Try and get a bit of hay out of it. But we'll have to wait and see what the weather does now. You'll never know until you get to that stage. We'll have to wait and see. As you can see, I'm just on the road now, heading back to the yard. I don't have too far to go. So yeah, I think that's really it. I don't have anything else to say. So that's it from me. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And as I said before, if any comments anything you want to ask me, any of that video suggestions, please leave me in the comments down below. I pretty much always respond, even if it is a day or 2 late. That's it from me. Good luck!